Hey friends, welcome back. I am in the beautiful city of Yazd, here in the beautiful country of Iran. And today's video, not a clue. We are gonna go explore, wander and get lost, but first thing first, what I want to do is go to a cafe and have a coffee because there's a friend of mine here in Iran told me to go and check it out. And I do want to have a look. So let's go and explore it. But if you have missed out on the tour here in the old town of Yazd, do check it out. Link will be below. And I've already covered most of these areas. You can see behind me the way how it looks is very fascinating, very beautiful, very old, very authentic. But right now, let's grab that coffee. Here's the cafe from outside. Sepand Cafe. Let's go in. Wow. So Yazd is very famous with their fabric as well. I'm noticing this a lot, you know. Look how beautiful this is. Salam. Oh, it's gorgeous. And with a view as well. Wow. Yeah, let's grab a coffee here. I can go up even more here. Oh, but they don't have it active. You can see there's no like mattresses, pillows, so it's just open downstairs. And what a view. Gorgeous. But I am grabbing a coffee here for sure. Where is she gone? Is there like a menu? Well, I don't need a menu. I want a coffee. Salam. You make coffee here?
Just espresso.
You make Yazdian cafe?
Yes.
How much is it? $30.
Yes.
Okay, you make cookies?
Chocolate.
Chocolate cookie?
Yes.
Okay, how much is the cookie? 30. Okay, can I have a cookie and a Yazdi coffee? Mamnoon. Easy. What a lovely lady. And we are gonna sit, yeah, here with this amazing view. Love it. And there she is. Oh, cake is even better than a cookie. Mamnoon. No, it's perfect.
Okay, Qadar.
This is Yazdi coffee.
Yes.
You know, Mamnoon. So nice. This is how it looks. We got a B.
Okay.
Perfect. So we're gonna give the cake a taste test. Man, that looks actually quite good. And this is a Yazdi coffee, so it's different than an espresso. Of course, taste test. Man, that smells like... what does it remind me of? So there's like there's a mixture of some herbs in it. I can smell, but like it's a it's a lot. Oh, that is so good. Oh, I can't describe it, but it's sweet. Oh man, I can't pin it. But it's so good. Oh, nice. Let's try the cake now. Like this. And like this. Cheers. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's good. Another bite. it's not so dry, you know. There's chocolate inside as well, like melted chocolate. Very nice. With the coffee, it goes extremely well. Yeah, I swear to God, those two is a perfect combination. Anyway, we're gonna finish this and we're gonna head over and explore more of this beautiful city. What a lovely lady. I paid her off and I spoke to her a little bit. She's very nice. But now we're gonna continue the tour. Salam. Let's go over to the Yazd woven handmade they do. Thank you. And this is the place here. Salam. Wow. So, unfortunately, they're not working. But you can see what they're making though. Oh man, look how old this machine is. Look at that. All the fabric. So that goes up here, all the way down to here, and I guess the final product is something like this, right? Wow, you can see the old man in the picture there. Very interesting. I wish they were working on it, but unfortunately they're not. And we take what we can get while traveling, you know. Khudafis. And now what I want to do is go and explore or check out the main mosque, you know. It's actually not far from here. So in the previous videos I have covered already the Yazd Old Town. If you are interested, do check it out. Link will be below. Alright bro, relax. And look at this for a square. That's the cafe I was in. I went up to this rooftop as well, and I highlighted all the town from above. Very beautiful town so far. We are exploring it for the very first time together. Salam. What a legend. Smile on his face, even though he's covered, you can tell from his eyes. We're coming on to a mosque, but I'm not gonna explore this one. I do want to explore the main one. And yeah, I think then we'll put an end to this video. I think let's see what happens. There's absolutely zero plans in what we do. That's the way how it should be, you know. What a beautiful town. Very nice. Salam. And there it is. Let's check out this mosque from inside. What a gorgeous gate, like. I mean, look at it. From here, it's like that. And then all the way, this is very interesting in the evening as well. And we got like a clock tower at the very far distance. But I do want to check out this mosque from the inside because we are here and why not? What a glorious entrance as well. So I see a sign at the entrance just there after the gate that says please come in to the mosque with Islamic hijab. So if you are a lady, please put on your hijab. And here we are entering the mosque. Alright, let's go out from here first and then we'll make our way around, right? And check it out, but look at this for a gate, like, you know, absolutely gorgeous. Wow. And Jameh Mosque. Payab, I'm trying to read the sign there. So where does this lead to? Let's go and check it out. Ah, but this is another entrance or an exit to the mosque, is it? Yeah, it is, because there is a bazaar there and there is a way through here, but I don't want to exit just yet. I do want to check it out, and look at this for a scene now. Oh my god. Wow, that is beautiful. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. Very nice. All right, let's go over there and have a look closer. Very crowded also as well, very busy. Look from the back. This is the gate that we saw from the entrance. This is where I came from. Very nice, like, and I like you can notice the colors, okay? The colors always keep changing in every city, as Mirsa mentioned it to us in the tour. Thank you, Mirsa. Here you can see like it's more the brown focus color, beside obviously the turquoise and the black and the blue. Of course, in other cities we also, it's the signature of the Persian color, the blue, the turquoise color, but also they add like pink in Esfahan, for example. I think it was in Esfahan, or yellow in Esfahan. Shiraz was pink, can't remember. Tehran was like yellowish, I think. Look at that. We are inside, and wow. The colors are amazing. The mosque is beautiful. Very beautiful. Very nice. And again, we got the same thing in every single gate, mosque, whatever. The beehive texture. Very nice. It's very beautiful. I love it. Good exploration, like, you know, from the old town of Yazd, and we are still at the heart of the old town here in Yazd. This is like local tour. There's no foreigners. As I mentioned in previous videos, there aren't any in my travels. Look at that. Right. Very, very beautiful. Very nice. And there is also another exit or entrance from there, and there. But I will be going out the same way I came from. And I'm gonna put an end to this video. If you made it this far, thank you all for watching. Please do consider subscribing. If you have not subscribed already, give the video a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithms. And as always, see you on the next one.